ਵੱਡੀ ਖਬਰ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ 2022 ਦੀਆਂ ਵਿਧਾਨ ਸਭਾ ਚੋਣਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ 5 ਸੂਬਿਆਂ 'ਚ ਵਿਧਾਨ ਸਭਾ ਚੋਣਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਤਰੀਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਐਲਾਨ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ। ਉੱਤਰ ਪ੍ਰਦੇਸ਼, ਉੱਤਰਾਖੰਡ, ਪੰਜਾਬ, ਗੋਆ ਤੇ ਮਣੀਪੁਰ ਵਿੱਚ 7 ਪੜਾਵਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੋਣਾਂ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ। ਇਸ ਦੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ 10 ਫਰਵਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਤਰ ਪ੍ਰਦੇਸ਼ ਤੋਂ ਹੋਵੇਗੀ। ਦੱਸ ਦਈਏ ਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੋਣਾਂ 14 ਫਰਵਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ। ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਕਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਕੋਵਿਡ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੋਕਾਲ ਤਹਿਤ ਚੋਣਾਂ ਕਰਵਾਈਆਂ ਜਾਣਗੀਆਂ। ਦੱਸ ਦਈਏ ਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ 5 ਰਾਜਾਂ ਦੇ ਚੋਣ ਨਤੀਜੇ 10 ਮਾਰਚ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕੋ ਸਮੇਂ ਐਲਾਨੇ ਜਾਣਗੇ। ਪੰਜਾਬ, ਗੋਆ, ਉੱਤਰਾਖੰਡ 'ਚ 1 ਪੜਾਵ 'ਚ, ਮਣੀਪੁਰ 'ਚ 2 ਪੜਾਵ 'ਚ ਵੋਟਿੰਗ ਹੋਵੇਗੀ।
And date of poll 10th February 2022. This is the first phase. Now let us come to the second phase, which is a very important phase. We will be covering 4 states. Uttar Pradesh second phase, Punjab in one phase, Uttarakhand in one phase, Goa in one phase. So Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand and Goa. In second phase, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Goa will be over. And here the issue of notification will be 21st January. Last date of nominations 28th January. Scrutiny of nominations 29th January. And last date of withdrawal of candidature 31st January. And date of poll 14th February, that is Monday. Third phase, only Uttar Pradesh. That is issue of notification 25th January. Last date of nominations 1st February. Scrutiny of nominations 2nd February. Last date of withdrawal of candidature 4th February. And date of poll 20th February, that is Sunday. Uttar Pradesh fourth phase, issue of notification 27th January. Last date of nominations 3rd February. Scrutiny of nominations 4th February. Last date of withdrawal of candidature 7th February. And date of poll 23rd February. Uttar Pradesh fifth phase and first phase of Manipur. Manipur will be done in 2 phases. So on 5th phase we will be having Uttar Pradesh 5th phase and Manipur first phase. Here the issue of notification is last nomination 8th February. Scrutiny of nominations 9th February. Last date of withdrawal of candidature 11th February. And date of poll will be 27th February 2022. Uttar Pradesh 6th phase and Manipur 2nd phase. Here the issue of notification will be 4th February 2022. Last date of nominations 11th February 2022. Scrutiny of nominations 14th February 2022. Last date of withdrawal of candidature 16th February. And date of poll 3rd March, that is Thursday. That way Manipur also completed the 6th phase. Uttar Pradesh 7th phase. Issue of notifications 10th February. Last date of nominations 17th February. Scrutiny of nominations 18th February. Last date of withdrawal of candidature is 21st February. And date of poll is 7th March. So on 7th March all polling will be over and the date of counting is 10th March 2022, that is Thursday. Last time 2017, the election was announced on 4th of January and the counting was on 11th, and here we are announcing on 8th. So we are squeezing the time also and the phases also. And that particular schedule will also be given to you, and how the phases of UP have been put in 7 phases will also be provided to you by the media cell here. And we have ensured that in all 7 phases of UP there should be equitable to be distribution of the assemblies, and that particular map will be given to you by our media cell. Now we call upon all voters in these 5 states to come out and vote as enthusiastically as they have always done in the past, especially the senior citizens, persons with disability and women. Your presence at the polling stations, despite many odds and personal circumstances, is nothing short of being truly inspirational. our fervent appeal to all stakeholders to maintain COVID appropriate behavior at all times. I'm really thankful to my voters who have casted their vote in the earlier elections, during pandemic also, and basically in Bihar, in Assam, in Tamil Nadu, in West Bengal, and in many places, Puducherry, Kerala, in many places, the voter turnout of female was much more than the men. And I'm so grateful to all of them that in spite of their the personal inconveniences, they have come and cast their vote. That is the spirit of the voter. That we want that should remain always in their mind. And this is a festival of democracy. They should come out, as I have already enumerated in my earlier paras, that the voters' safety is there, the polling booth is safe, and the polling officials are safe. Therefore, I request to all the voters to come forward and cast their votes. Similarly, I will request to all political parties and entities to mentor their party workers to adhere to COVID safety guidelines, especially during the period of campaign. Let us all remember that the safety of each one of us is our collective responsibility. It is our collective responsibility, and together we can make this happen. Wishing you all the best. Thank you very much.